Hello, my name is Sophie and I am a Customer Success Specialist at LoyaltyLion. Today I will be giving you a brief tour of Lively's loyalty program. Lively is a sophisticated underwear brand, and with a loyalty program, they have increased their spend of their members by 36% and their average order value by 21%. I will be showing you what Lively does differently and how they're on the path to success. So let's start. Currently, I'm on Lively's homepage, and I can see the rewards on the main navigation header that makes the loyalty program a key component of the brand. Lively also shows my points balances here, which motivates me to engage more with the program. If I click to the rewards program, it allows me to redeem my rewards directly on this page. I can also see which tier I'm currently in. I really love how Lively have designed their program. They implemented a tiered loyalty program structure that reflects their brand values and strengthens the relationship with their customers. As you can see, I'm in the bestie status. And to be in the total boss status, I need to spend more. I'll be more motivated to make more purchases as I'll get some really nice and exclusive perks, like double points and early access to their new styles. Lively encourages me to engage more of their program by explaining the ways that I can earn points. I can earn reward points by following Lively on social media, subscribing to the mailing list, and leaving a review, and referring a friend. All of these features help Lively increase customer acquisition and engagement. To earn more points, I will subscribe to Lively's mailing list. See, as you can see, that was super easy. Lively also highlights referrals to increase customer acquisition and turn their members into brand advocates. I also love the way they promote referrals. They offer a $10 discount to the new customer to convert them into becoming a member. And for the advocate, they give them loyalty points. I will refer my friend Ipek because she shares the same values as Lively, and I will share that through an email. And it is done. As you can see, Lively have created a fully customized and on-brand loyalty program that is very engaging and user-friendly. Now I will proceed to check out. I see the points slider that allows me to redeem points directly in cart with a seamless and entertaining experience. By using the slider, I can choose how many points I want to apply for my order with no fuss with a discount code. All of these simple elements make Lively's loyalty program a lucrative part of their business. When you are designing your loyalty program, it's important to keep it consistent with your brand values and identity. This is because a loyalty program connects and helps you accelerate your marketing efforts, build longer-lasting relationships with your customers, and enhance brand love. I hope you've enjoyed this short tour of Lively's loyalty program, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you.